All right, welcome to Amateurish Adventures. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Guardian Angel Micro Series personal safety light. So, what do you get in the box? In the box, you get light, you get a box, this adorable little manual that I suggest using a microscope to read because that is a little tiny. Keep in mind, something that did mess with me, there is an initial activation on here. It won't just turn right on, and that is how you do it. You have to press the front and rear buttons for a couple seconds, and the light will come on. I thought it was broken at first, but yeah, it's magnetic. It's supposedly has an extreme battery life. It's built really tough. It's rechargeable, and it's waterproof. So, what else is in the box? Hey, I didn't even know they made these. Here is the adorable little charging cable that they give you. Look at that thing. I think Salem would like to go outside again, even though it's still raining. So, pros to this light, it's tiny. It's very rugged. I mean, this light is super, super rugged. I feel I could probably hit it with a hammer, drop it. Nothing's going to happen to it. It's magnetic. It has a really strong magnet right here, and it's got a magnet here. So it will stick to your car. If you want to use it on your car, they want you to use it on you. So you'd end up taking the magnet and doing something like this with it to put it up on your shoulder. It's got a lot of cool features, like you have a light in the front, and you have don't hit me lights in the back. So you basically can make a traffic pattern with it. Super bright. You could change the brightness levels. It has 4 of them. It also has this really annoying bright light up here. If you press and hold the center, it will turn that light on. Or if you just want a reading light, I believe you can press this one twice and that light will come on. No. Press and hold. No. Press and hold front light to get that one on. That's a super powerful little light too, which you can run the backlights, only the backlights. You could put them in pretty much whatever pattern you want. I like this one. You could do the same with the front lights. All on, put them in a pattern. Or if you really feel freaked out and you just want to activate everything, if you press and you hold this big GA button on the top, this thing goes into freak out mode. And I guess that's so no matter what, anybody can see you. So supposedly, this thing's waterproof. I have a glass of water here. What's going to happen when I drop it in? So that can stay in the water for the remainder of this video. But I will go over the pros, and there are a couple of cons with this light. Pros, they're less than $50 on Amazon. You get lighting patterns that you can choose through. They're super bright. I mean, look at how bright that is. If I shut off the studio lighting, that thing is plenty bright. Yeah, around the whole studio. And that's in a glass of water too, by the way. It's magnetic with really strong magnets. When you're wearing it, no matter what, you could be running, probably doing backflips. I wouldn't worry about this thing falling off. It's definitely rugged. It feels solid. Do you agree, sir?
Absolutely.
So obviously it's IP67 rated. It also has a handy lanyard loop so that if you are afraid to lose it or you want to put a lanyard on it, you can. And if you go on their website, there are tons and tons of options you can get with this. You can get bicycle mounts. You can get a helmet mount. You can get a band to put on your arm that it magnetically sits in. You can even get a cone, a traffic cone that you put on the ground to use this thing as basically a electronic flare if your car breaks. Yeah, so there are definitely tons of accessories. And I wonder, I've heard from somewhere that magnets don't work underwater. I'm quickly going to verify that by going in the water here. No, I'd say that still works fine. So whoever said magnets don't work underwater, yeah. Cons on this. It strobes when charging. You literally have an annoying, bright, single white strobe light that flashes during charging, which I can show you in a clip of this that I got. And when it's done charging, it'll actually double strobe. And you can't use a rapid charger with it, unfortunately. With a rapid charger, it has... Yeah, it doesn't do anything negative, it just won't charge. It cannot be over 1,000 milliamps, which I'd rather have it charged quicker, but I guess an hour from dead is actually a really good charging time. Now, stick around for our other videos because we will be reviewing the Flipper Zero, and we have another portable battery operated light bar here that is actually pretty bright as well. So stick around for those videos. Thank you for watching, and if you want to go out and buy one, we'll have a link in the description. No pressure, not telling you to buy it, but I'd buy a second one. It's a nice light.